Welcome to the British Bulldog. Hi YouTube, this is Wendy Billy Fig. In today's video, got a figure review of the British Bulldog figure review. So this is the figure we got, and this is I have this Bulldog Elite. I don't have his this one, and then we got this one. They made the attire twice. I don't know why they did that. They made a attire twice. They did that for some figures. They make some basics and elites twice. I don't understand that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. That channel can you hit the like button, guys. The second channel, Winning TV, thick channel. When I get the mic, game video, any video, walk, move on videos, comic book hunts, and comic book reviews. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna unbox this figure review on camera for you, and unbox it here. This is what it looks like in the back of the box. Everything stays on the back of the box. You can check that Manchester, England, and it said everything you need to know in the back of the box. You can check that out. Helps out a lot. Really cool SummerSlam figure. Really cool on a detail on a figure. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the second channel. Want to see me do a Chelsea Fit collection video? Subscribe to the channel. Gotta hit the like button and subscribe channel if you're new. Hit the like button and subscribe channel. If you're new, hit the like button and subscribe channel. If you're brand new to the channel, subscribe to that channel. If you're new, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Post notifications on. And if any video I put on this channel, guys do. I got this figure at Collector's Con, and I picked this up. I never did a video on it. I had it for months and never did a video on it. But here at this SummerSlam cardboard, which is pretty cool. Got the SummerSlam cardboard, which I'm gonna do SummerSlam cardboard, like prediction cardboard. Pretty cool cardboard. Got the figure outside. It comes with interchangeable hand. We got this hand, and then we got the other hand here. Here we got this hand as well. We got this got that Bulldog figure outside the box. Same as the Elite. Same as the basic series figure. Bulldog got some great figures. I am going to get the other Bulldog figure. We got this one, which I think is pretty cool. We got the ones here. Maybe go to the big giant shows. We got that one. And then we got the arming hand, or head hand. Got those kind of hands. That the articulations on here are very like different. On here it says Bulldog in the side of the pants, and it says B for Bulldog. You got the same attire as this one. This one says the same thing. Same thing. What? Wait, this is a little different. You notice this says red and black, red and blue, and then this one's red, blue and red. Oh no, opposite side. So you got the British Bulldog flag, which is pretty cool. For the figure, when I pop the hands, see what it look like with it on here. Get all suited up for you and get a look for you, so we can see what it look like with it on here. Gotta pop the head on, and you gotta take the. Oh no, what other side supposed to look like? Those on here. I gotta pick this this stuff on here. I'm trying to do it quickly. Trying to do the other side. I don't want to edit this video. Come on, video. Okay, we got it on there. Here's the British Bulldog flag. Yeah, they put it armed up like this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, post notifications on. Don't miss any video put on the channel, guys. We got this one here, here, and then we got the other British Bulldog here. We got that one. We got the E30. If this one's cool, we got the detail on the side here. Overall detail on the back of the figure. Overall, really awesome figure. We got like the detail. I like this one a lot. This one's better. I like the E39 Bulldog. It's better. So this is the Bulldog we had gotten.